A high school teacher noticed 5 bright students failing her math class, not because they couldn't do the work, but because they worked nights to help their families pay rent. She was barely making ends meet herself, working a second job just to cover her own bills. But she made a choice. Every day after school, she stayed 2 extra hours to tutor them for free. It cost her overtime pay from her evening job. Her principal told her to stop. It wasn't her responsibility. She kept going anyway, even bought supplies with her own money. By semester's end, all 5 students had turned their grades around completely. 3 earned scholarships they never thought possible. Word spread through the community. The teachers' union nominated her for a state award. She won $10,000 and got promoted. Years later, one of those students became an engineer. He started a scholarship fund in her name. She said the hardest part wasn't the money she lost. It was believing these kids deserved a chance when no one else would. One teacher, 5 lives changed, and a career transformed.